Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add signature on Outlook. So first you need to open your Outlook and go to new email. Okay, then go to signature and signatures. So tap on new, right here what you want to add, go to OK. Now you can add here your signature. Okay, I'll add general manager and my name as well. Okay, now you can customize it from here. Okay, so now when you are done with this, then go to OK. So cross it and go to email. So you can see here it is. So guys, this is how you can add signature on Outlook. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.